Next example, a statue 1.6 meters tall stands on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. Okay, a statue height is 1.6 meters. Okay, let AB is the statue, height of the statue. Okay, a statue on the top of the pedestal. See, this is the pedestal. Okay, a statue top of the pedestal. It means AB is the statue. It stands on top of the pedestal. Okay, see, BC is the pedestal, height of the pedestal. Okay, BC. Okay, this height from a point on the ground. Somewhere there is a point on the ground, O. Okay, O is the point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. It makes an angle with top of the statue is 60 degrees. Draw horizontal. This is the point. Oh, okay. It makes an angle with top of the statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point O, same point means O, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Okay, top of the pedestal is B. Okay, makes an angle 45 degrees. Okay, find the height of the pedestal. You have to find pedestal height. Okay, BC length. Okay, here given statue is 1.6 meters tall. Okay, trigonometric ratio tan 45 degrees. See, angle BOC equal to 45 degrees, and AOC, angle AOC is 60 degrees. From triangle BOC tan 45 degrees. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is BC. BC is the side opposite to the angle 45 degrees. Side adjacent to the angle 45 degrees is OC. Okay, tan 45 value is 1, BC by OC. Here OC equal to BC. Okay, from triangle AOC tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 equal to side opposite to the angle 60, AC by side opposite to the angle 60 degrees, OC. Tan 60 value is √3, AC by OC. We know AC equal to AB plus BC. AB value 1.6 plus BC. Okay, 1.6 plus BC. √3 into OC. OC equal to this equation 1. From equation 1 from equation 1, OC equal to BC, root 3 into BC equal to 1.6 in plus BC. Here we have to find height of the pedestal, BC. BC equal to root 3 BC plus minus BC equal to 1.6. BC is common, root 3 minus 1 equal to 1.6 meters. Okay. BC equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. Rationalize with denominator root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay. See a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, root 3 whole square equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 to 0.8 times, which is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. Therefore, height of the pedestal equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay.